tol.
I'll be good one day, you just wait and see. I'm a
Mabait naman yung anak ko eh. Alam ko naman yung pagtulog. Nag-uhuwi ako isa.
Ganyan na lang. Nanay tatay na lang. Ayun, ganyan. Laki mo.
got a whole lot left in me. Gotta go all in if you wanna be the best. Gotta stand tall, gotta say it with your chest. No, I ain't done yet. Here we go. Yeah, I'ma bring it back.
Ate ko maganda, bebe ko maganda, maid of honor kong nagpakababae.
Life is shorter by the minute, don't waste it. If you ever had a job,
Wala naman tayo sa simbahan mamaya.
I'll be at it every day, just move
Para
it
siyasampal ako.
like
Let's make babies!
Simbangan na mamaya.
No, I ain't done yet. I just gotta look to the sky and I see it. No, I just can't help but believe it. No, I ain't done yet.
Hi, mahal. Finally, after ng isang taong pagpaparinig, pagtatanong at pamimilit, eto na din tayo. Whew! Who would have thought na magiging possible tong araw na to? Before I met you, I always ask God if mararanasan ko pa ba to? Kung may magmamahal pa ba sa akin? And I'm so blessed dahil sinagot niya agad ako. Binigay ka niya sa akin. You accept, love me when I couldn't even know how to love myself.
Shelby Alcala Aquino. Yeah! Sarap sabihin, apelido ka na gamit mo. The first time that I saw you, akala ko talaga that's my tomboy. But when I finally got to know you, you are such kind and sweet person. Kahit na minsan nagiging dragon ka kapag nagagalit. At lalo na kapag gutom.
Ang kasal daw ay parang kaning mainit na kung saan kapag ka naisubo na at napaso ay hindi basta-basta pwedeng iluwa. Sa kabila ng maraming kahulugan na ito ng kasal, para sa ating mga Kristiyano, para sa ating mga mananampalataya, ang kahulugan ng kasal ay ito ay isang regalo buhat sa ating Panginoong Diyos.
Pipiliin kita ng paulit-ulit. Mapapagod pero never kang susukuan. Babalikan natin ang araw na to kung saan ikaw at ako ay nanumpa sa harap ng Diyos.
Ang kasal ay hindi parang adventure na matapos mong ma-experience ay hahanap ka naman ng iba. Ang kasal ay isang calling o isang bokasyon na kung saan ay pinanunumpaan natin sa harapan ng ating Panginoong Diyos.
You've got a
Hindi naging madali ang journey natin. Ilang beses din tayo nagkasukuan, ilang beses pa din nagkakatayuan, at minsan, muntik pang umabot sa saolian ng singseng dahil sa LU. And sobrang thankful ako kasi napaurong mo ang dragon inside of me. Pero minsan napipindot pa din.
And you've got a light in your heart.
8 years of being together, we faced so much struggle in our relationship, but you did not leave my side. You have been understanding and forgiving. I am so grateful to have you in my life. Thank you for embracing the man that I am and the man I am going to become.
This through, if I could just be with you forever and always.
Today, I can only promise you one thing. Hindi ka na mag-iisa. Unless patulugin kita sa labas, ikaw ang panghabang buhay na pahinga ko dahil lahat iutos ko sa'yo pag magkasama tayo. I know our next chapter won't be that easy. Mas maraming challenges and darating pero handa akong mas mahalin ka pa. Unawain ka pa at alagaan ka pa.
In my arms, and we would be finally together at last.
I promise to do my best to provide the happiness that you deserve. I promise to fulfill my duties as a husband and father to our son Kian and to our future children. I promise to be your ears when you have story to tell and listen to every problems you have. I promise to love you and not give up on us today, tomorrow, and for the rest of our lives till death do us part.
Ipinapahayag ko sa inyo at sa buong kongregasyon ng Kristiyano na sinang Miguel Luis at Shelby ngayon na pinag-isa sa banal na sakramento na kasal ay mag-asawa na.
If all of the words would just come out somehow, and you could just stay here for hours in my arms, and we would be finally together at last.